Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what makes the Funnli Cousin Gifts for Women Acrylic Puzzle Plaque the best Mother's Day gift for your cousin. If you're looking for a heartfelt, unique present that combines thoughtful design with lasting quality, this acrylic puzzle plaque might just be the perfect choice. Right from the start, this gift stands out because of its charming puzzle design. It's not just any decoration, it carries warm, sincere words paired with lovely elements that express genuine love and gratitude toward your cousin. This makes it more than just a gift. It's a sentimental keepsake that your cousin will treasure for years. The versatility of this plaque is impressive. Whether it's a birthday, Mother's Day, Christmas, a wedding, or even retirement, this gift fits all occasions. Its modern, clear color design blends seamlessly into any home or office decor. You can easily place it on a desk, shelf, or bedside table, where it serves as both a beautiful decoration and a constant reminder of your special bond. When it comes to build quality, the Funnli plaque doesn't disappoint. Made from sturdy acrylic, it's lightweight but durable, resisting breakage and warping over time. The smooth surface feels pleasant to the touch, and the printed words and images are vivid and resistant to fading. So you can be sure this gift won't lose its charm or message, no matter how often it's admired. One of the best features is its freestanding style. You don't need to fuss with hooks or stands, just place it anywhere you want. Its compact size, measuring roughly 3.35 by 2.76 inches, means it fits comfortably on small desks or shelves without taking up too much space. Plus, it's easy to move around or store if needed. This plaque is also a wonderful way to communicate heartfelt emotions. The words, "Thank you for being such an important piece of my life," and "Love you forever," make it clear that this is a gift from the heart. It celebrates the special connection you share with your cousin, making her feel appreciated and loved. In addition to its emotional appeal, the plaque's simple yet elegant design adds a touch of warmth and personality to any room. It's a subtle but meaningful decor piece that enhances your cousin's space while reminding her of your thoughtful gesture. Overall, the Funnli Cousin Gifts acrylic puzzle plaque offers a perfect blend of sentiment, style, and quality. It's a unique and memorable way to celebrate your cousin on Mother's Day or any special occasion. If you want to give a gift that truly stands out and touches the heart, this acrylic puzzle plaque is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or want to see more unique gift ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.